Mastering Trading Psychology in Forex. Episode 2. Fear of Losing in Forex Trading. Imagine this. You've been watching the charts for hours, your setup finally appears, and everything lines up perfectly. Your heart starts racing, you hover over the buy button. But then that little voice whispers, "What if it goes wrong? What if I lose?" So, you hesitate. The market takes off without you. Or worse, you enter late, panic when the price pulls back, and close too soon. Sound familiar? That's the fear of losing, and it's one of the biggest enemies every trader faces. I'll never forget a trader I mentored years ago. We'll call her Sarah. She was sharp, analytical, and had a solid strategy. But every time she took a trade, she was terrified of losing money. She'd move her stop-loss closer and closer, and most trades would hit it. Then, right after she got stopped out, the market would go exactly in her direction. Sarah wasn't losing because her strategy was bad. She was losing because fear controlled her. And fear doesn't just stop you from trading confidently, it destroys your ability to let profits run. Here's the truth. Losses are not your enemy. They're part of the business. Every professional trader in the world loses trades, sometimes half of them or more. The difference is, they don't let those losses shake their confidence. Fear of losing comes from two things. Number 1, risking too much money. Number 2, tying your self-worth to your trades. If you risk more than you're comfortable with, every pip feels like life or death. But if you risk an amount you're okay losing, suddenly the fear fades. And if you stop tying your identity to being right on every trade, losing doesn't feel like failure. It feels like business expenses, just like a shopkeeper paying rent. The mindset shift. Think of it this way. Would you rather miss 100 opportunities because you're afraid to lose, or take 100 trades knowing some will lose, but overall, you'll grow? The best traders don't fear losses. They respect them. They see each loss as feedback, as tuition for learning the market. Once you shift your perspective, the fear of losing becomes the power of discipline. So, here's your challenge for this week. Lower your risk to an amount so small it doesn't scare you. Trade it. See how it feels. Build confidence one step at a time. If this episode inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a fellow trader who struggles with fear. And in the comments, tell me honestly, what do you fear most when you click that trade button? In the next episode, we'll talk about greed and overtrading, the other side of the coin. You don't want to miss it. Remember, losing is part of trading, but fearing to lose, that's optional.